Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aldin Arma Nasrillah from 12 Science 2 number 4. I would like to tell you how to make chicken soto. The ingredients are half kilogram of chicken meat, quarter kilogram of chicken claws, 3 bay leaves, 3 pieces of lime leaves, 2 stalk lemon crushed, galangal crushed galangal about 6 centimeter, some leek and celery, tomatoes, lime cut into the about 6 pieces, seasoning, ground pepper, sugar, salt, 6 clove red onions, 4 cloves garlic, 4 candle nut, and about 5 centimeter turmeric and ginger. And then boiled vermicelli, sliced cabbage, soy sauce, red onion, 2 liters of water, half liter of cooking oil, and shrimp cracker. For the tool, we need a blender, stove, knife, pan, frying pan, spatula, ladle, container, and frying pan. The first step is boil a liter of water. After it boils, add the chicken meat and chicken claws. Boil about 10 minutes, and after that turn off the heat and take the chicken meat and set aside the water for soto broth. The second step is blend the red onion, garlic, candle nut, turmeric, ginger, and the third step is heat a little cooking oil. Heat a little cooking oil. and then enter the spices. Salt the spices until fragrant, and add the lemongrass. Lime leaves, corn pepper, and galangal. After it fragrant, turn off the heat. And aside. And then the fourth step is slice the tomatoes. Slice the tomatoes into the small pieces. Tomatoes, leek, and the celery. The fifth step is heat the broth in the first step, and add some water, and add the chicken claws. Add the chicken claws, add the salted spices, sugar, salt, sugar, and seasoning or pepper. After it boils, we can put the tomatoes and leek. After it boils and after all the ingredients already entered, turn off the stove and add the fried onion. Okay, set aside. The fifth step is heat the oil. Oh, I'm sorry. The sixth step. Heat the oil. Heat the oil and put the chicken to salt water. And frying it until brown. After it brown, turn off the heat and slice into small piece. Okay. The seventh step is serve by put rice, vermicelli, cabbage, soy sauce, sliced fried chicken, add the fried onion, and put the chicken broth and the chicken claws, and add the shrimp cracker. The chicken soto ready to eat. The second to serve, you can put the potato chips and bean sprout and serve while still warm, and good luck for trying. That's all can I say. Please forgive my mistake. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.